Hello everyone, mga kabagis, King Ferdinandology, and for this video, I'm going to show you what keeps me busy during my day off. It's basically just doing a lot of things in the house because boy, America, you have to do things on your own unless you get someone to do it for you, but you gotta pay, a kind of heavier price for those services. So for today, I'm gonna show you how I cut and how I make use of my woods in the yard. Um, Actually, there was a dead tree already from way a year or 2 years ago, and I had it cut it off. Now I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces. So in winter, we would be able to use it for the fireplace. So, living in Chicago, we have 4 seasons. On winter, it really gets so cold, like sometimes negative temperature, and actually most of the time we go to like negative degrees Fahrenheit temperature here. On summer naman, just like what we have right now, we're about 2 days before officially summer. Mainit, and it's a great time to like work in the yard, just like what I'm doing right now. It's my day off, so I have to do a lot of things in my yard, like make it nicer, tidier, because post winter, natabunan nito. All of the things that you see around me, yan, all the way there. I have a big yard around here. Actually, it's the biggest in this area. So that area is covered with snow, no? So when spring comes, spring cleaning, and summer comes, it's time to put some, plants around it, or a garden. Those are the things that keeps us busy. But right now, I'm just gonna cut the dead tree into smaller pieces, just like that, so we have something to use on winter. So boy, America, you gotta do things on your own, and yeah, like parang Pilipinas din, but it's just a different environment, different way of living. So I hope you guys stick around. I'm just gonna show you what I do on my day off: cutting off woods, cleaning my yard, mowing, and a lot of gardening things just to keep me busy. Thank you guys. King for the methodology. Alright, so nakat ko na sila and ipunin ko na, itatabi ko na sila. So, done for now. And bukas naman yung iba. Thank you guys for watching. So yung hindi kaya ni Diego the John Deere na cut yung mga edges and mga corners, that's the job of my trimmer, edger ang tawag ko. Alright mga kabagis, ito ang aking edger, which takes over my riding mower kapag walang space or it's too close to the edge na hindi na mamow ng riding mower. So this is what I use. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how it works. It's electric. Alright, so yan ang aking reserve na firewood for winter na nakatago dito sa shed ko. I also have extra gasoline there and charcoal. Alright, thanks guys for watching.